Hey guys, this is Alexander and I'm doing slime flipping. Guys, that was first try now. I'm making a video of fails. I'm just off both of dude perfect. That was just accident. Boom. So guys, I'm gonna try to flip it on this. To my old toy box. If I make it, I'm gonna be so happy. Again like that. I just can't help myself. Guys, I have a cup. Yes. Say hello to my pretty. It missed. No. No. I got my slime. Yeah. I made that perfectly. I dropped it and then that happened. With guy, this is trying to flip the slime without a cap. Upside down. Awesome. Slime. Guys, I'm gonna flip it on this ladle. See how it goes. It's gonna be a while. Guys, it's been 2 years. What if I made it on a scooter? That was awesome. No. Why? Cue the montage. I'm gonna have to stop doing this. I can't get this. Next trick. In this bag. Yeah, easy peasy. In between my chairs. Nope. My friend made this on Colorfee. Why did my friend make this on Colorfee? Why Colorfee? Colorfee's horrible. Just joking. I love Colorfee. Bye. Nintendo NES cheat codes. 5-second rule. Big like softball or baseball. One of my friend, someone accidentally threw a softball to my friend's face. They were just crazy and they just threw it at my friend's face. Oh no. I finally found the slime. Come on, stuff. New montage. I made it, guys. Yes. I did during the montage. Yay. Hey guys, look, this was Alexander. Foot chip shots. Well, it's signing out now. Bye bye.